Hey, happy Monday, everybody. And I said, what am I going to help cook today? And so I went to my freezer and I had a package of frozen broccoli, the kind you buy at Sam's, and had 4 of these bags. See, it's frozen. So I thought I'd make some broccoli soup in our quick blender. So all I'm going to do is open up my frozen bag of broccoli. I'm not even measuring, I'm just putting this in. And I have a recipe that's on the Pampered Chef website, and this is their broccoli cheddar soup with cheddar biscuits. I don't know if I'm going to be making the cheddar biscuits, but I will be making the cheddar soup. Okay, so just I put in my frozen broccoli, and it says to have 2.5 cups of vegetable, low sodium broth, but Keanu don't got that, so you know me, I just make any kind, and this is all I got is this chicken powder, so I'm putting chicken powder in it, because I want to make something today, so, and I don't go to the grocery store very often because of COVID, so I'm just putting my liquid, and then it says to put some salt, half teaspoon of salt. Probably don't need that since I'm using that chicken broth, but I'm doing it anyway, and then you're going to put a half an onion. Oh, 2 cloves of garlic, so I'm going to throw that in there. And it says a half an onion, so I have my half an onion. I'm going to just kind of cut this a little bit. I'm going to throw in this, but I wanted to use some of this onion. This is in the chopper, and I love my chopper because we like to put onions on our salad, and I want to show you how I'm going to chop the other one after. So just put that in. That's all you got to do. And then I'm done. I'm going to stick this lid on. Now listen for the beep. See? Now it's telling me that it's properly shut. And then I'm going to turn this wheel. And on top of here has smoothie, milk, soup, heated puree, all this stuff. So I'm going to turn till the soup lights up right there. And then I just hit start. And that's it. And then when it's done, then it will say, I can add my cheese after. All right, look, it's doing it on its own. And this is going to get hot and it's going to cook it. How cool is that? Wait till you see all this smoke steaming out. You don't do nothing. It's done. I put this away and it takes about 30 minutes and you're done. So I'm going to push this out and I'm going to show you real quick. So this is my favorite. We have this, the chopper, the one I told you I like. See this right here? So you stick the blade. It comes with this really sharp blade because I already cut myself on it, so you got to be careful. Throw that. I just throw the onions because my husband likes onions all the time, so I kind of use this. You just stick the lid on like this. I hope you can see. Let me see if I can scoot this down without messing up. Okay, see? And then you just do this. And this is the one you can make the avocado, the guacamole, make salsa and stuff. My arm's still sore from the falling off my bike. And then see, I'm good. All done, all chopped up. Comes with its own lid. I cover it and stick it in the fridge. I know they say don't put onions in the fridge, but I do it and we're all still here. So this is what I do. Got my onions ready to go. And that's it. So I'm just going to let you see how this blends for a little bit, how cool it is, because it does it all by itself. Hey, Megan. I know I can't see you guys, but see there. See, the cool thing, this is different from a Vitamix, because like I said, I have a Vitamix. Vitamix will make soup, but it works from the friction of the blade. So it has to run really a long time for it to get heat. This is actually cooking. It has a heating element. That's what makes this just an amazing blender. And what I like is this is glass, not plastic. And I like that it's more wide. It's wider. It's wide at the bottom. Where like your Vitamix is like this. So you have to dig way in and everything. And this one, it's all like nice and love it. I'll let you look at this for a few more minutes, for another minute or two. And then I'll come back live again later, and when this stops, and then you can see how hot it is. I was going to make this a pre-recorded, one, but I just kind of wanted to do live and tell you guys, hey, happy Monday. All right, talk to you guys later. Check that out, man. That was frozen broccoli out of the freezer. Like my family gonna have some fancy soup tonight. And I got a thing of hamburger out. Now I gotta go figure out what I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do something in a rock crock. Maybe make some fast spaghetti, instant. All right, let me think about that one, and I'll be right back.